I see a pink monkey. The video ends. Okay, come on. We can do it. Like, you know. No pink monkeys. Yo, bro. Come on, we can do this. Okay, like, you know.
Okay, you have to
come over here for your That's kind of like a little bit pink, no? Oh, yo, we got another pink. Wait. Somebody is pink inside of here. Okay, no one is pink, guys. Let's go move on another server. That's gonna be more harder, I just think. Okay, I just push the mute button, but guys, never give up. Okay, I almost end this video, but yeah.
I'll teach you.
What? Green, you use your arms like this. You just gotta go one.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Like what?
And how many cosmic they just have? Like, yeah.
Like
yo,
this.
pink monkey, bro.
Yeah. And once you start doing faster, get it harder.
So, we found a pink monkey, and don't forget, Jesus Christ love you. He never forgot you exist, and bye.